Well, good evening once again. This is another practice of mine. I'm still learning, as I've said. If you all know, I've got this as a present from my. I'd like to show you my ukulele. It's an Ovation. It's got a sound control over there, and it can be plugged in. It's got already, you know, jack hole there for plugging in a amplifier. I've taken this to my gig a week ago, and I did try to play that Summer Over the Rainbow. One of the first one I've learned. I haven't got any idea at all how to play it, but then I never give up learning. I don't care if I don't make it too perfect, but I enjoyed playing it. I'm gonna try to play for you the Lion Sleeps Tonight. Okay. Okay, let's do it again. Ah, wait a minute. See, I told you I made a mistake. On my way. Oh dear. I never give up, do I? I really am seriously learning this ukulele. Well, I hope you learn a little bit from me. I don't know what chords they are. I just watch the people playing YouTube and I just follow them and learn from them. But I really am not so seriously looking at what chords they are. But I try to just imitate people playing them, play along with them and imitate how they play it. Mine is not perfect, but who cares? I'm learning. Thank you.